This is going to be the removal of the secondary valve body on a 9th gen V6 Honda Accord. You do have to take out the starter and the battery and the tray, some of the intake, and then you'll be left with this. Cover up your battery cables. You do have to remove a lot of wiring harness here. On the older gen Accords, it was very simple. They just had 2 little solenoids, but the 9th gens, they're a little more complex. So we're about to pull it off. And there are no videos of this on YouTube, so maybe this will help somebody. Because I could not find one, and I searched diligently. I already have all the bolts out, all the wiring harness off, so we're going to give it a little pry. Well, 1 screw left. As you guys can probably tell, I'm not a mechanic, but gotta do what you gotta do. There we go. Got our pop. And be very careful removing this because there are some tiny little screens that will need to go back in the same way that you took them out. I need to resituate this wiring harness. There we go. We are going to change that gasket. So that's what it's going to look like when you take it off. And this is going to be your valve body. Sit that down for a moment. Not a great camera guy. Alright. Main thing we're gonna do is check all of these screens. Thankfully they're in there very good, so you don't have to worry too much about them falling out. Definitely want to get them cleaned. See, they got some O-rings in them, so take a little bit of prying. but they'll come out. Make sure they go in the same way that you took them out. We're gonna spray some brake cleaner and clean each of them out. And I'm putting them in the wrong way too.
I think that's the wrong way in.
Nope, I have to watch the video. Take a little more care on this one. Hey, Pippi.
I did some bullshit on you. It says to work on you. Dad?
What?
It says to work on Daddy. It says to work on Daddy, Mom.
And last one.
I forgot for me. Look what I got. Here, I thought you want me to or you want it? You want this one or you want this one? You want that? How you got like this, like this, like this.
Mostly just good to have this for reference. And that is it for the cleaning. Just clean out those screens. Hopefully that helps the little transmission slipping that I'm experiencing. Hope it could help you guys. Let's see what it looks like in here one more time.